Hakan riu tarik mentau benai no pra arhajar arpuwei ki pulit jong katnat Civil Defence and Home Guards jong kani kejela Meghalaya kila yok bani shimbenta haka jingelang pun kup buram kabasisin sisnem ne kabala tip mga Civil Defence and Home Guards Annual Day arhajar arpuwei. Hakani kesengi yakani kejingelang la penlong haka jakatrikam jong katnat Civil Defence and Home Guards Meghalaya kabadan hamau diang-diang. Haka bau MLA jong kemaureng keneng constituency ubak peniat sing siem ulalong kongsan. Ubala shimru eka salute haka jingyat paret daka kunhun jong kani katanat bat penbut saka march pass. Haswaban sedang ia kejingyelang haka ni kesengi la pediang buram yikinong wane shimbenta da senior staff officer jong katanat Civil Defence and Home Guards uba RP Kongwar. Rengkat kejingyelan lang o Commandant General joko Home Guards haka joko por uba longru u Director jong Civil Defence uba AR Mautho. Haka ni ka annual day mentaka senem arhajar arfuwei la penkup buram kerpang ya kilai pu arngut ki kulit jong ni katnat ki bala no senyang ya kesnam ke jongki na ke bentaban yarap iginong pang ki bedan kam kerki ban pelat emi ke jing em ke jongki na kini kilai pu arngut haka ni kesengi ya ki khatsan ngut la penkup buram da ka ba airu rengkat iki certificate na lor ki bano senyang ya kesnam haka ni kesengi jingelang la penkup buram ru ya ki nriungut ki pulit jong ni katnat ki bala yok diang ru ya ka Commandant General of Home Guards and Director Civil Defence Commendation Certificate arhajar arpuwei bat nringut ki bala yok ya ka Director General Civil Defence MHA Government of India New Delhi DISC arhajar khatsau bat prangut ki bala yok ya ka Director General Civil Defence MHA Government of India New Delhi DISC and Commendation Certificate arhajar arpau ya ka bala sam do kongsan. Khaddo la samru ya ka Home Guards and Civil Defence Medal for Meritorious Service shaki arngut ki pulit jong kani katanat.
They, along with their family members, are very proud of the recognition which they have received. I am also sure that in future, these officers and men will show great sincerity and devotion to duty. The award of these medals should serve as an inspiration to others for performing their official duty in a more diligent manner. The twin organization of Civil Defence and Home Guards have over the years rendered human service to the society. Apart from their regular service like assisting the state police and district administration in maintenance of law and orders, guarding VIP residences, government establishments, public sector undertaking, etc. These two organizations have played a significant role in providing assistance in many emergencies and whenever any calamities, both natural or man-made, has occurred.
Approaching the saluting dais is the Parade Commander Shri Greg Salo K. Sangma, Chief Instructor, Central Training Institute of Civil Defence and Home Guards, followed by the Parade 2IC Shri Ben Hanan Sakhar, Subedar Major, Border Wing, Home Guards Battalion.